Hold it, that's it, like that, good. Hold it.
I recently rediscovered Velcro curlers. I think they are absolutely amazing for adding a nice natural volume to the hair. So one of the easiest way to get them to work in your favor is to run a heating iron, either a curling iron or a straightening iron through the hair, just to get it a little bit hot. So I tend to do this for a couple of seconds, let it loose, and then I take a Velcro curler and I let the curl cool around the hair. So in the end you get a nice loose kind of wave with a little bit of height at the crown, and it looks fantastic.
That good? Even maybe the hands up. Like that, good? Good? And eyes, that way more, good?